Nipa bone fosam adoso ewo womayi emu achese damda ensem a yetie ne de yehunu no odadwe ho kwampa na wubusa empo ese enti so wo yonku nipa ena eyeye anase obi a moja efa ne mu ene di sa bone fosam yi ene de ye ni ekokopie mu ewo wasa ekopon a police for ache yema mi ebi achese nka wo no de wo kuni yonku ba wo ba be se wo kuni yonku eba all because of 7,000 Ghana cedis 18 na yama me ayeka na asemi na chese di ede amapuno awadi efishia dia 46 years and ayeka na asemi na ebusuafo amapuno yi wono ewo wasa ekopon municipal police commander mo akachi sesi amene wo ekase all because of say na wo pese wo yi yama me ani di ede Patricia Odro no so 45 years all because of 7,000 Ghana cedis na said the ensem no ekoye ya mama Patricia echimu anache say amapuno yi wo ma no sika no 3,000 Ghana cedis so won fa enhye ne galamsey business emu or invest in galamsey business na eno and so about 4,000 Ghana cedis some few months no na just wo na wakwa ko chinisika edi wo yende yi eba ye na say na ya ma me de ensem to the mama me kwana me kinkan emfa emma mo say I had given 3,000 cedis to Amabuno to be invested in a Galamsey business, which yielded additional 4,000 cedis after some few months. I needed the money to pay my 2-year rent and use parts for a choba business I wanted to venture. I asked Amabuno for my money, and she asked me to accompany her to a Galamsey site and collect my money. In the middle of the bush road on our way to the Galamsey site, Amma smashed me on the forehead and on the neck with a stick she was holding, after which she inflicted her machete on me, on part of my body, leaving me unconscious. After I regained my consciousness the following day on dawn, I screamed for help, where some Galamsey operators around the same area came to rescue me. Then I told my rescuers that Amabuno has done this to me. Then they also rushed into the community and informed my uncle, who was a retired police officer, and he also reported the case to Wasa Ekopon Police Command. The police, together with the community folks, went to where the scene was, and I was lying there with. They rushed me to Akropong Government Hospital for treatment, after which Amabuno was arrested by the police. Patricia and someone were there to a journal to say, Yeniaba Amabuno you were born, dear, no, then a match at it, no be a year, what did you see a Gomuja, one so to another call conscious internet, the little say no, not as a reaction. Don and as was starting a word yet and then for then epu by ya woman or catch up say me person see and then Miss Abon Fusemi and my woman so ball ne uncle mania or no air retired police as no so at the assembly a coma wasa echo pom police or more ababel so a ya amabunu as the same no air say at about Patricia Odro our first at the tene and we a doctor for or my discharging on a free was a coupon just all responding to treatment. Now everything for Sikamuntio 7,000 Ghana cedis. Will bet me a bit me a few one sa a bit me like a bit me dia while who will be around was say, Nancy came at you swam an assa. And I'm a you swam an air film inside man with them be a moonty or ye a year or be every attack for assassins. na de bio enti se ye tu anase ye mo bi na tu sa na mo we ya aya na wo mo dwen se wo mo be kire bo e wa asase so na bushafo mi busa because all the time will be because of one selfish gain, selfish interest. Not so. Amaya yetimu anase ya obra yewe enzidane da ya beda sorry ni atise obi ewu ya beda sorry obi ahwe ne krankwa afa nkwanhyiamu oda ya wan sorry seni enti aya na emfa ehu bi mpo enhye ye mu se a enu nti krompo ni kwase bidimi yonko ebone anan ye hwe de ye mame amapuno oye ya all because of 7,000 Ghana cedi anointing na washi obi ekra ede efri nsa abusuafo na say yakoya anase ye baye ubetimi trust obi with wusika anase ubetimi trust obi with say oni no edi djuma anointing no mo kamutiri abom na ma kasa ma build up your own business and you may be saying that diet go on my back so we are at the Ubo and a same. Now so and your ma ACC it's so woo ye and as I say or bono and I will woo ye edifiers for assassin as well. Now one so tears as so no any I want so back well who could I say will be a crampuna bamo war no casa na pakan ever before no cramp no papa money is sin. And you remember all mamma and Shana and Jim Nana Mutubu are you to a young say, dear ye, young queen, in Tisanka, and ye, a bay and day, and Judy years so says, it is a summer, about Pima, our Wasa, Pon, a police station, one so ever saw a similar nation, where taught a water woman and young from. One more my year etinya now one for some say no a draw etimi I a trap. I was for a and a bread and one will come and be made no essay. What share and will try a man a woman a 2 year because of the young pussy cow, the man. So I'll fire to one and fire a man, and as what did you man invest in that for so by a numeral. What was your net can change about break? Then I'll put me. I can't a day after 14 channel a bra. I will 200 your comment section. Like videos not share our other social media platforms. So, a quick capa and the person, the person, a share in the macro.